So, weiter geht's mit Kapitel 2, Gravity. Ja, wir sind im London des 17. Jahrhunderts und treffen den berühmten Mathematiker Isaac Newton, der seine Forschungen einfach aufgehört hat.
Experience the breathtaking views of the historic Reginald Skeffington Memorial Tower. Skeffington accidentally commissioned this tower in 1612 when he thought a tower was the same thing as a bowling alley. Under reparation. It's locked up tight.
Okay. Hier ist eine Wiese, gehen wir später nochmal hin. Hier ist nix.
This book return is full of mail. I guess the postman got confused. I'll just grab a few letters. They probably weren't going to reach their destination anyway. Just a bunch of random mail.
Okay. Gehe zur Bibliothek. Und da hockt er schon.
Mario Zechner's 10 Easy Steps for Looking Almost as Handsome as Mario Zechner by Mario Zechner.
Wie gut, dass sie Mario Zechner haben. Okay, da können wir nichts tun.
Looks like this leads outside.
Ja, genau.
Excuse me, sir. I was wondering if... No spoilers! What? No spoilers! I'm only on book 4. Book 4 of what?
The Larry Platter series, obviously. This J.K. Lupin fellow spins quite the yarn. Now, what do you want?
Are you Isaac Newton?
Yes.
I've come here to help you.
Help me with what?
You know, the thing you need help with. Science, maybe?
If you authentically wish to help me, you can start by leaving me alone.
How many of those Larry Platter books do you have left to read?
46.
Are you serious?
6
That'll take forever.
I am perfectly aware that I'm behind. No need to rub it in.
Can I fill your wig?
What? Absolutely not.
Please. It looks like a big poofy sheep.
If I say yes, will you swear never to disturb me again?
Yes. Wait, no. Kind of?
Forget I asked.
I'll let you get back to it.
How exceedingly generous.
Ja, ja.
Wow. Really wasn't expecting to get away with that one.
Okay, was? Eine Rüsse. Okay. Da ist wieder schon so eine Statue
Oh,
von dem.
come on! Now he gets a wooden statue?
I agree. It is a bit underwhelming. A genius like Lupin deserves the finest marble. Not to mention his left hand has been loose for ages.
Oh, come on! Now...
So, die Hand braucht er nicht.
Please do not touch the magnet, unless you have a scholarly reason to do so.
Ich habe einen wissenschaftlichen Grund.
I'll need to pick the magnet up to do anything useful with it. I'll need to pick the magnet up to do it.
Okay. Dann...
No, I'd rather not.
Ja, aber es passt doch.
No, I'd rather not.
Dann eben nicht, dann gehen wir erstmal raus. Okay, eine Nebengasse.
I wonder where this goes. Hello? Is anybody there? Shh!
Okay. Oh, wenn wir die jetzt anfangen, wenn wir die jetzt spielen lassen, dann ist er extrem gestört.
I'm digging this song. It sounds so cheerful.
I told you it was still cheerful, Chizo.
Of course it's still cheerful. Jochen can't play a minor chord to save his life. Says the guy who asked me yesterday what an arpeggio is. Hey, at least I can play one.
Ja. Oh, Tee.
What the?
Yes, sir. Best in the city. Or at least it will be as soon as I'm done perfecting the recipe. Care for a cup?
What's in it?
Trade secret, my friend.
It's not people, right? I saw this one movie where it was people.
Trade secret, my friend.
What's that crazy machine behind you?
It's called a gronk.
What the heck does that stand for?
Not a clue. It's from Prussia. Makes marvelous tea, though.
Gronk, aha.
I should go.
Come back anytime. Come on, then. It's on that.
All right, sure. Hit me.
That's the spirit.
Oh, dear God! It itches and burns. Oh, it's like a liquid rash.
Just the kick you need to start your day.
Interessant, aber leider haben wir das jetzt nicht. Weiter nach hier hinten kommen wir nicht, oder? Nee. Ich denke mal, wir werden so einen Tee irgendjemandem geben müssen. Golfspieler.
Thanks for the help.
Oh, sure thing. Here you go.
Thanks for the help.
Oh, sure thing. Here you go.
Okay, den müssen wir irgendwie daran hindern.
You can hear a single putt stands between O'Leary and his first major tournament victory. He steps up, centers himself, breathes the deepest breath of his life, and...
Hi there.
What the?
Oh, were you about to hit the ball? My bad. Go ahead. I'll be quiet, I promise.
Well, I can't hit it now. You've totally psyched me out.
Okay.
I love mini golf. Can I play?
What the heck is mini golf? I'm playing loopin' ball.
Ugh, of course you are. I just got into town. Are there...
Well, the tower next to the chapel has a pretty good view. Oh, but I think the sculptor's locked himself in there to work. I guess you could check out the archery tournament instead.
Enjoy your round.
Thanks.
What do you know about Isaac Newton?
The cranky professor? That guy hates music.
He hates it?
Yeah, this one time a student brought a lute to class. Newton broke it over a chair while screaming something about equal and opposite reactions.
Jeepers. Enjoy your round.
Thanks.
Okay, Musik ist also sein Kryptonit. Hier ist also das Bogenschießturnier. Ich habe das Gefühl, den müssen wir wach machen.
Wow, you're looking very, green.
But of course! Don't you know who I am?
Green guy?
No.
Captain Vegetables.
What? I'm Robin Hood, you dope!
I always figured Robin Hood was a little more muscular, and his posture was a little better, and his eyes kinda pointed the same way, and he wasn't wearing a big green diaper.
They're compression shorts?
So, is this a tournament or something?
Obviously, I'm about to wipe the floor with these scrubs.
When does it start?
Whenever somebody bothers to blow the stupid horn. The referee was supposed to be here over an hour ago.
Okay, man muss in ein Horn tuten.
You should probably take a practice shot to warm up.
No shots before the horn. That's an automatic disqualification. I'm not gonna lose to these chumps just because I couldn't keep it in my quiver.
Okay. Ich hab da bei dem einen Ritter, das sah aus wie ein Horn.
Good luck in the tournament.
Like I'm gonna need it.
Did you just take some of my wood chips?
I'll bring them back?
You better. I'm making a salad later.
Whoa, gross.
Eklig. Hi, Hund.
Hi. I'm just gonna borrow one of those. Rude.
Vielleicht will er die Post.
No way. Cartoons have taught me what dogs do to mail carriers.
Okay.
Aha! It looks like there's one coal down there that isn't super hot.
Eine Kohle, okay. Der macht anscheinend die Zielscheiben hier. Okay, wir haben eine Kohle, wir haben Holz, wir haben eine Hand und wir haben Briefe.
What are you growing?
Big, juicy tomatoes.
Yum.
Oh, I don't eat them. I chuck them at comedians I hate.
You're spending months growing vegetables just to throw them at comedians?
Technically, they're fruit. Whoa, get your own. This stuff is pricey.
Vielleicht kann man das ja irgendwie austauschen.
No, I'd rather not. Perfect rock for having a good sit. That is, if it weren't under a terrifying apple tree. Ugh, apples! Don't let them near me.
Hat er eine Allergie oder was?
It's Newton's mailbox.
Vielleicht könnte man da die Briefe hinmachen.
It's locked. I already put some mail in there. It's Newton's mailbox, now crammed with a bunch of random mail.
Könnten ja mal zu Newton gehen und ihm sagen, dass das voll ist.
Whoa, get your own.
No, I'd rather not. Do you hear something?
I hear you shattering my concentration.
No, not that. Music, maybe?
I assure you, if I could hear music playing in here, I would no longer be in here.
Ah ja. Okay. Was habe ich denn jetzt so übersehen?
I shall returneth thine horn forthwith, noble knight.
Da war das Horn, was ich gesucht habe. Mit dem kann ich jetzt das Schießen in die Wege leiten. Ich könnte ihn aber auch irgendwie erstmal stören.
I shouldn't throw off his stroke.
That one doesn't count. My bow wasn't calibrated yet.
Okay. Jetzt gehen wir da zurück und holen uns diesen nicht kalibrierten Pfeil vom nicht kalibrierten Bogen. Ja, die Hintergrundmusik habe ich schon so laut wie es geht. Die ist halt noch sehr leise.
Not too accurate, but you gotta admit the guy's got range. Not too
Okay.
That does not need a hand.